In this video, I will help you find the best budget 3D printer in 2024. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra Neo. Best for budget FDM printing. The Anycubic Cobra Neo is an incredibly affordable FDM 3D printer that offers solid performance and a range of impressive features. As a budget-conscious hobbyist, I was thrilled to discover this gem in the market. The Cobra Neo comes with automatic bed leveling, which ensures hassle-free printing and saves me valuable time. Additionally, the direct drive extruder provides reliable and consistent filament feeding, resulting in smoother and more accurate prints. One of the standout features of the Cobra Neo is its heated double-sided PEI build platform. This not only promotes excellent adhesion for my prints, but also makes it easy to remove them once they're finished. I no longer have to worry about my prints sticking too firmly or damaging the build surface. The Cobra Neo also boasts a solid build volume, allowing me to create larger and more complex models. In terms of print quality, the Cobra Neo doesn't disappoint. It produces detailed and precise prints with ease, thanks to its fine layer resolution. I'm always amazed at the level of detail and clarity in the prints I get from this budget-friendly printer. Another advantage of the Cobra Neo is its user-friendly interface. The color LCD screen with knob-controlled navigation makes it intuitive and easy to operate. I appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of the interface, especially as a beginner in the world of 3D printing. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra Go. Best for value FDM printing. With its impressive features and great value for the price, the Anycubic Cobra Go is a fantastic option for budget-conscious individuals looking for a reliable FDM 3D printer. This DIY kit offers identical features to the Anycubic Cobra Neo, but at a more affordable price point. While it does require assembly, the process is straightforward and provides an opportunity for customization. The Anycubic Cobra Go is designed with beginners in mind, making it easy to use and navigate. Its color LCD knob-controlled screen allows for intuitive and convenient operation. The printer supports various file formats and filament types, giving users flexibility in their printing projects. One of the standout features of the Anycubic Cobra Go is its ability to produce smooth and clean quality prints. With good filament, this printer can achieve detailed and precise prints, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're creating prototypes, functional parts, or artistic designs, the Anycubic Cobra Go delivers impressive results. In addition to its affordability and print quality, the Anycubic Cobra Go offers more options for customization compared to other budget 3D printers. This allows users to tailor the printer to their specific needs and preferences. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. Best for FDM beginners. For FDM beginners looking for a powerful and feature-packed 3D printer, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro is an excellent choice. This printer offers a range of impressive features that make it stand out in this sub-$300 price range. One of the standout features of the Neptune 4 Pro is its fast print speeds, allowing you to bring your ideas to life quickly. The printer also boasts an impressive part cooling system, ensuring that your prints come out clean and smooth every time. As a beginner, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro is a great option because of its simple assembly process. You don't need to be an expert to get started with this printer. It also allows for growth without needing to replace the machine, which is a huge plus for those who want to expand their 3D printing capabilities over time. Equipped with powerful features and functionality, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro offers a fast startup and high-quality prints. The automatic build platform calibration ensures that your prints adhere properly to the build plate, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Additionally, the part cooling fan helps prevent warping and ensures that your prints maintain their shape and integrity. Number 2. Anycubic Photon M3. Best budget resin printing. After exploring the impressive features and functionality of the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro, let's now turn our attention to the Anycubic Photon M3, a budget resin 3D printer that offers excellent print quality and affordability. The Anycubic Photon M3 is a compact-sized resin printer that delivers outstanding 4K plus prints. It's easy to handle and takes up less space, making it a great option for those with limited workspace. One of the standout features of this printer is its wide build plate, which allows for printing large models without compromising on print quality. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to create larger resin prints. Additionally, the Anycubic Photon M3 falls within an affordable price range, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The Anycubic Photon M3 is known for producing high-quality resin prints with exceptional detail and precision. Its compact size and sturdy construction ensure stability during the printing process, resulting in accurate and smooth prints. This printer is particularly suitable for beginners who want to explore the world of resin 3D printing without breaking the bank. Number 1. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. Best for value resin printing. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro Resin 3D printer is a remarkable option for value-conscious users seeking high-resolution quality prints and a solid construction. I've been thoroughly impressed with its performance and features. The printer delivers stunningly detailed prints with its 2K monochrome LCD screen, which offers better light transmission and faster curing times compared to traditional LCD screens. The build volume of 5.08 to 3.15 to 6.3 inches provides ample space for printing various objects. One of the standout features of the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro is its sturdy build. The aluminum body ensures stability and durability, making it a reliable workhorse for long hours of printing. The user-friendly interface and intuitive touchscreen make navigation and operation a breeze, even for beginners. The printer also supports USB connectivity, allowing for easy file transfer and printing. In addition to its impressive print quality and construction, the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro offers great value for its price. It's competitively priced compared to other resin printers on the market, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. The printer comes with a resin VAT and a high-quality FEP film, ensuring smooth and consistent resin flow during the printing process. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.